Beautiful Modelo mustard. This is what the mustard comes from. These little seeds right here, this is where the mustard comes from. So I'm gonna be using the yellow and the brown from Spiceology. Now this is something that a lot of people keep bringing up from one of my past videos. I made a Modelo mustard. They're not sponsoring this, by the way. I wish they were. I love Modelo. You basically just let it sit in this for a day and then blend it. So it's very straightforward. I'll probably do a couple tablespoons of each mustard in there. Now you don't need too much of this because be mindful, the mustard seeds will expand and it's gonna take up a lot of space. Next day we'll come back to it. And now as you can see, it looks way cooler than a lava lamp. Let this sit overnight. This is the mustard seeds the very next day. Check it out. They've expanded quite a bit. So like I said, you don't have to use that much. Just let it sit in the beer uncovered because it will explode. Uncovered, it should expand. So the next day, just come back to it. Rice wine vinegar. Maple sugar. Taste. Then just adjust it with some more salt to taste. Maybe a little more maple sugar. Beautiful Modelo mustard. Hot dogs. Mustard. Caramelized onions.